What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a beautiful 1990 Ford Bronco. We're going to do a quick visual condition report on this, starting with this front right wheel. Looks absolutely perfect. You have a ton of tread left here on these tires. Here on the fender, you have a couple really small rock chips. Got one right there, there, and there. The graphic looks amazing. Got a couple chips on the lower side here. You do have some gashes on the side mirror, a couple dents. Got a little touch-up spot there. See some minor cracking right there. And then, might be hard to see, but we do have a ding there, and it does not look like it damaged the graphic. And looking down the side of that looks amazing. Got a couple rock chips here. Got a chip there and there. And then you have a few rock chips here on that lower side. That wheel looks perfect. Little scuff on the glass. Otherwise, this side looks amazing. And then checking out the front. Now you're gonna have some rock chips across the hood. A lot of them have been touched up. Just kind of peppered every once in a while. We have some scattered throughout here. Upper side looks good. I see a really small ding there. You can see it in the light right there. And looking at the front, headlights look good. Now this is kind of peppered with rock chips in this section. That headlight looks good. Got a couple scuffs. Otherwise, that front end looks really nice. Got two rock chips here. A couple more. Got a scratch there. It does catch my nail. Two more rock chips. That wheel looks good. The graphic is nice and clean. I don't see any dings on this side mirror. Then we got a touch-up spot here and a touch-up spot in there. And they got a little bit on the window trim. Touch-up spot there and there. And you have a gash here that's been touched up. 3 or 4 little dings there. And you have a ding here and there. They're really minor. This bedside looks good. See some paint chipping off on the edge here. Otherwise, this thing looks so good. Very, very clean. And then looking at the back, overall, this back bumper looks good. You do have some gashes here. You have a gash right there. Tire carrier looks good. Cover's nice and clean. We have one rock chip right there. some scuffs in here. Otherwise, that looks really good. Then checking out the back here, you do have some scratches and gashes throughout. Looks like we have a kicker sub here. You have some gashes and broken spots there and right here. That seat back looks good. Headliner looks amazing. Then looking at the engine bay here, looks really good. And then you can see 3590 here. Got your sticker. Then looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks amazing. You have a little bit of wear here. Windows roll up and down perfect. The rest of that door panel looks amazing. You can see all this paint looks good. Kick plate area is clean. A little bit of wear on the weather stripping. You have some spots here and a little wear on that bolster. I don't see any rips or tears. The rest of that seat just looks awesome. Steering wheel is nice and clean. Dash looks amazing. All those buttons look good. Then checking out the seats back here. They look amazing. All of this is very clean. Then looking at this door panel, it looks amazing. Window rolls up and down perfect. Floor looks good. Tiny stain here, a little bit of wear. But otherwise, this seat looks amazing. And then you do have this little spot here. Looks like something was sewn in. Not quite sure what that is. But the cloth behind it looks perfect. So I'm sure that might be something that can just get unstitched and pulled off. Console looks amazing. Now we have a tiny crack right there on the edge of the dash. Upper side looks good. Glove box looks amazing. This thing is super clean.